What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the PV Mall series. You probably followed a link to get to this video. Part 1, we took a final walkthrough before they closed the doors to the public. Part 2, we just kind of did a drive around when they were putting up this fencing. And as you can see behind me, they're in demolition mode. That was the Sears building behind me, if you're familiar with the mall. We're at the southeast corner here where they started, but have a look. We're behind some fencing right now, so this is the closest I can get. But that's about a week's worth of work right there to completely take out that corner, which was the Sears building. From where I'm standing, I'm about as close as I can get because they have fencing all around it. But from this point of view, I can literally see inside the mall right there. It's kind of cool. I'll do a close-up shot in the next clip. That's kind of cool. The trucks are lined up right over there. They're waiting their turn to get a load. And right over there, they're filling them up. They drive away, another one pulls up. So it's kind of a funny sign behind me. It says the wrecking crew is coming. They're already here, clearly. You can see what I've been filming. So behind me was the food court area, or the food court entrance. I'm gonna do a quick walk around. And to get to this area, I haven't trespassed. I literally just drove right up through the area right back there. They haven't blocked it off yet. The other side of the mall where they're doing the demolition is clearly blocked off, but this side is not. So we'll just do a quick walk around. Just imagine this place at one time filled with people, you know, entering the mall. At one time this was, oh, look at that. This is a trip, dude. Look, if you look at those 3 windows right there, they're missing. And if I'm correct, those were stained glass windows, I believe, at one time. And that's probably why they're gone. Probably somebody wanted to preserve them, keep them, sell them. But that is really interesting. And this was the Ruby Tuesdays. That was obviously the eating area. But yeah, that's a trip, man. Somebody immediately took those out. That's wild. And look, this sign says police training. Like, they probably used the building after it closed to train for emergency whatever reasons. There's inside. Make sure you can get a good look. Mixed use development. Let's walk over here. Now this is a trip. This is where that carousel was. I'm assuming they took out the window. It probably just made it easier to get the carousel out instead of having to go around. I mean, they're going to demolish it anyways. I just took that whole window section out just to make it easier to get the walk over here. Oh, there's more of those windows that are missing. More seating area. A few storms have come through. Nobody's cleaning anything up, obviously. But this is so I'm out of the parking garage here, and let's take a look around real quick. A few storms have come through. Obviously not cleaning anything up. No need to. But there's cars still parked in here. Like, there's still, the library's right over there. The Costco's right over there. So they're still using the garage, but that, I mean, like some sort of street cleaner or anything hasn't come through here in a while. But as we walk out here, this is the entrance to the Dillards. The first and second floor entrance. And once again, there's nobody's cleaning anything up over here. I'm not sure where that piece came from. Looks like the roll-up doors are shut in there, so can't see inside that part. But yeah. Just imagine at one time, once again, all these just people parking here and walking into the Dillards. There's the old food court over there. We'll go up the stairs here and check out the second level. Some graffiti. There's one car parked up here. I would think maybe they would not allow access up here with cars, but this is the second level entrance to the Dillards. I'm pretty sure this entrance was closed off even while the Dillards was still open. So this entrance is closed, but it'd be kind of cool if they could incorporate this logo or design into the new building that they're going to be putting up when they take this away to keep the history alive. So behind me is the JCPenney, and what I'm hearing is that they're going to keep the JCPenney and level the rest of the mall. But if that's the case, they're gonna have to give it a major facelift, because as it sits, it's looking pretty weathered. I mean, they literally had to put a sign that says "Come on in" to let people know that it's not closed. But if they're gonna level the entire mall, put something fresh and new up, they're gonna have to do something with that old building, old facade of it. Thanks for tuning in and watching the PV Mall series. Hopefully these videos can preserve a little bit of history, because they're clearly leveling it. And if you no longer live in Arizona, hopefully these will help you bring back some memories. Thanks for watching.